This is an unboxing of a Lenovo T14 Gen 7 AMD. One of the notes, I think some of the T14 Intels have CAM 2 RAM, so big change there, but don't have one of those yet. It's the 65-watt USB-C power. Regulatory papers. Okay. I'll give you a look on the inside. And go over the ports. Kensington lock slot, full-size Ethernet, USB-A, combo audio. That's a smart card option if you add that. I don't. Nothing on the front. On this side, the SIM card slot option if you have that. USB-A, full-size HDMI, and 2 USB-C. On the bottom is just a reset hole here. And then looking at the keyboard, no changes from what I can see. There's the fingerprint reader power button up there. Everything kind of looks and feels the same. And then the webcam privacy switch and the dual mics at the top. Oops. That's right there. And that's it.